All right, let's check out this Ford Ranger. Let's see if we can get this thing started so we can sell it. So this thing has been sitting here for a while. Yeah, it's not looking too good. So you probably recognize this Ranger. This thing was in a ton of videos. This guy's Ranger, I worked on it all the time, you know, previous videos years ago, but it looks like it's met its maker. So it's been sitting down here for well over a year. Got in an accident. Busted the rear window out, front window. Yeah, man, there's carnage. And it bent the frame down in there. So I can fix a lot of stuff, but yeah, I don't think we're coming back from that. It's a 1998, so you know, it's not really worth it. All right, so it's not looking too bad. There aren't any mice that have gotten in here and chewed stuff up. So that's good. Should start right up. I mean, it's been sitting down here for over a year, but it ran when it was parked. So let's see if it'll start. Put the battery in here. Man, this thing is nasty on the inside. Ugh. Hazmat. We're gonna have to wear some serious gear to get in here and drive this. Hazmat time. So of course the shift lever is broken. We get it started. I'm gonna have to manually, you know, put it in drive. So it won't start with the key. I'm gonna jump the relay right here, these two wires. It should start. All right, let's drive this thing out of here. Oh, man. Well, that worked. God, that thing is nasty. Got it up here. Man, that was sketchy. I had to lay under there and keep switching it between drive and reverse just to get it turned around. So here's the deal. The motor and the transmission are fine. You know, the body's scrapped, the frame isn't any good. So we need to get the interior cleaned up. I got some mold killer and stuff, you know, mildew remover. We're gonna spray it down and get that stuff up out of there. Here's what I got inside, bleach free. We're gonna spray this stuff on the inside. And I'm just gonna soak it down with the garden sprayer, you know. There's no bleach in here. It's not gonna mess up the interior, but we gotta wipe this stuff out. So here's before. Yeah, it's nasty. Oh man. So that should do the trick. Leave that closed up and then we're gonna come back and it should be all dead in there. Man, that stuff smells. All right, let's check out the interior. So that stuff I sprayed in here did the trick, you know, it came out real nice, nice and clean now. Probably need to go over the body one more time with the pressure washer. Engine's looking good, it's nice and clean now. You know, we got 20 years of grime up out of here, so that's looking good. All right, so I found a buyer for the Ranger. He came up here and got it and didn't want me filming. Said he's gonna do a body swap. He's gonna take his good body, he's got the exact same color one, and he's gonna put it on this frame and get it fixed up. Looks like a pretty cool project. So I'm gonna miss that Ranger, you know, that was that guy's Ranger. That's where we got started way back in 2016 with this channel. You know, I worked on that guy's Ranger all the time, fixed it up, did a whole bunch of tutorials and stuff on it, but it's gone now. It's got a new life. Saved another one from the scrapyard. Check you out on the next one. Later.